What's up, you guys? It is Naughty Spider. Welcome back, or welcome to Naughty Spider. Today's video, it's going to be a very sentimental video for me because I'm going to crochet a bouquet of flowers for my fiance's grandma, and I'm going to include girls. Gosh, my girls are always making so much noise. I have 3 dogs. They're so loud. But anyways, I'm making a bouquet of flowers, and it's going to include angels. And in the bouquet of flowers that I'm going to crochet for my fiance's grandma, she's turning 82 years old. Sorry, guys. I'm just very happy, grateful to be a part of her journey, you know. My fiance too, he's very happy, and we decided that we're going to crochet her a little present, a little bouquet of flowers. So in this video, if you want to watch that, if you want to see the process of what it's going to be like, then go ahead and continue to watch. I will also be posting it for sale. So if you do want to end up purchasing it, you can visit my Etsy shop at Naughty Spider or my TikTok shop at Naughty Spider. This one will be specifically made for my fiance's grandma, and I'm so excited to make it. If you want to see the process of what it's like to crochet a flower bouquet, continue to watch. My first time making a double magic ring, so it's a little tough. What is poppin', you guys? It is the next day. I'm looking a little like a fish from SpongeBob, but either way, excuse the chapped lips. I'm supposed to put on my chapstick because these lips are being a little too chapped. So where is my purse? Oh, I have to stop working on the bouquet yesterday because of the order, that the last minute order that I got, but I did deliver it, and I did finish my first angel today, so I am excited to show you. This is the first angel. She has her little halo. Honestly, I am in love with this angel. She's so cute. And I'm gonna work on a different angel right now. So this one's gonna look like this. I'm gonna work on a different angel. If anything, I might just stick to 2 angels, or I will complete 3, but I don't want to waste too much time on one item. How do you call that? One particular. I don't want to spend too much time only working on angels because I do have to complete the rest of the flowers for the bouquet, and I do want to incorporate different types of flowers. So it's gonna take some time, but I am officially done with my first angel. I will be working on my second angel right now. After I work on that second angel, I will move on to the flowers. So I'm so happy, guys. It is so awesome. And if you want to continue to watch me, I'm going to continue to crochet the second angel right now. And hopefully I get started on some flowers for the bouquet today. So yeah, continue to watch me. Oh, This is day 3 of I think it's day 3 of creating this bouquet. I've been kind of busy because of the orders that I've gotten, but I have had time to start working, and I think I showed you guys a better video. I'm gonna show you a better video right now of the flowers, lavender flowers that I already crocheted, and the 2 angels that I have. So it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. I'm happy, and probably looking like that crazy video that I posted the other day. Oh my god, guys. What I'm working on right now is the petals to create the lily flower, I think it is called. Guys, today is the day. Finally, I crocheted the bouquet for my fiance's grandmother, and we are on the way to her little birthday party. So I'm a little nervous, excited. I can't wait to give her this gift, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. She's looking like, guys, so beautiful. I am very, very happy of my work. So let's go ahead and drive, and let's get going, guys. Guys, it is it. We are giving Grandma her bouquet of flowers.
It is time.
Crochet. Yes, I'm nervous.
Dun, 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 dun. Peer pressure.
Okay, we got this.
To the max.
It's all with love.
Hey, show it off again. Show it off again. Look at the angel right here. The angel in the back. Crazy.
Get the angel in it. Sunflower, rose.
Hey, we got a big chunk coming on. Watch out.
Alrighty. Oh my god, I'm nervous. We got this, guys. We got this.
Yeah. The crochet family. We're gonna bring it home today.
How do you feel, Isaiah, that we're giving this to your grandma?
I feel really, you know, surprised and amazed at the same time. I was like, man, it's crazy. It was better than what I thought, honestly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That shit was.
You can literally have that for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or something. You should always have it forever. Just crochet, you know?
Told you, this dog chases you. I'm so nervous, my stomach hurts. ay. No, let's get it on. Let's be happy.
Yeah, come on, yeah. Grandma's gonna love it. Even mom loves it too.
Yeah, she did love it.
And don't forget to say that you made it though.
Yes.
Because you really did it.
Bro.
Alright, guys. I crochet this for you.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday.
Did you crochet those?
Yeah.
Oh, an angel.
These aren't the same ones I saw you create.
No,
Oh,
there's different ones.
Yeah,
They're different.
special.
They're for you, yes. I
Oh.
crocheted them for you.
Let me see the angel.
Look at the angel.
I know, she
Football,
crochets these
football.
things. I watch her on TikTok.
No, I didn't see her on TikTok.
Look at
I don't
look at
know.
the angel on the back, Grandma. There's one on the back too.
That's cute. Very pretty.
Huh?
Cool, huh?
Yeah. I saw her doing it one day.
Yes.
Oh,
For my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah. For Mother's Day, I think.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
That
Yeah, that's for you, Grandma.
pretty.
Flowers. Crochet flowers.
You love her?
Linda, why you see?
For real, that's what I said.
It looks really cool, huh?
Huh?
Looks really cool, huh, Grandma? You got the little two angels and the flowers.
I told
You able to have it forever.
I told her, I said, someday she'll have a really good daughter-in-law.
What is poppin', guys? So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed every second of it. Excuse me, it felt so nice to give my fiance's grandma a present, and you know, it was made with a lot of love, and it was, she loves to sew too. She used to knit, I think, and she loves the whole, you know, knitting, arts and crafts, crocheting, sewing. So that is specifically why I made it for her as well, so she can, you know, have a little present out of crocheting, out of my arts and craft. But guys, that is the video. I enjoyed everything. I keep repeating the same thing, but I loved it so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I'm gonna try to make more content of me crocheting things and giving them as gifts, and you know, recording people's reactions. I did try and do it last time, but I ended up forgetting. I was a little nervous, but this time I was like, no, I have to do it for this content. I have to do it for you guys, and I want you guys to see a little bit of, you know, my life. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved it. It was an amazing, beautiful experience, and I can't wait to gift more people crochet projects and record their reactions. But before I let you guys go, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Guys, you know, have any questions, let me know. But for the next video, it will be a good banger video as well. Don't get it twisted here. Okay, we have new projects coming up that I will be showing off on. I'm gonna start making more TikTok videos, so please go ahead and catch me on TikTok. On TikTok, I post a little bit more than YouTube, just because those videos are more short form and yeah, a little bit easier for me. But I'm so glad I finished this video. I will be posting it, and I will be seeing you guys next time, so stay tuned. Have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, be positive, be respectful, and most of all, be responsible.